What I suspect could potentially happen is price could make its way up, make a temporary drop, and then come back up here to take the liquidity that gets engineered, mitigate this zone, and then make the actual move. Okay, this is my Eurusd H4 analysis for Monday, May 6th, 2024. So far, Eurusd is playing out similar to the way that I kind of forecasted from my last analysis on April 28th, where I was expecting for price to come up, tap into this failed demand zone, do some kind of move down, take some liquidity here, then make its way back up here before reversing. So it's sticking basically to that path. So we're at the zone that has finally been mitigated. We have a hidden bearish divergence. Trendline liquidity was taken here. There's liquidity beneath this level here, beneath this low, and I'm still looking at a profit target, the fib 11.8%.